I'm Mr. Dave with the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History. Welcome to Nuclear Science Week. We have with us here today some of the wonderful students from Technology Leadership High School. They're helping us develop a program about radioactive tracers. This has to do with Hevesy and some of his discoveries and the ways that he used them. And they're going to be performing our play for us today. Take it away. It was 1911. George de Hevesy, the first person to ever use a radioactive tracer, was living in a boarding house doing some of his postdoc research. He discovered that some of the food was a little funky and that he thought that maybe the hotel owner was retrieving the leftovers, mixing them together, and reserving them. So what Hevesy did was he had an idea. He thought he would take some of the radium-D that he had been working with and place it in his leftover food. At the end of the day, when the hotel owner called that it was time to wrap it up for the day,
boy, we're closing now. We recommend you guys start heading for the exit. So we hope you all have a great night. And yeah, have a great night.
when all of the patrons were asleep, the bartender retrieved all of the drinks from their tables. As suspected, the bartender took the drinks and poured them all into one large bowl to be used the following day. The following morning, as the patrons were waking and returning to their wonderful meals served by the bartender from our hotel owner, Hevesy went to work. What he did was he pulled out his gold leaf radiation detector and checked to see if his drink had some of that radium-D in it.
Great Scott! Everyone! Your drinks are tainted!
What you mean by that?
What do you mean, man? Don't be like that.
Stop lying.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying.
And
I'll prove it!
he demonstrated to the guests that in fact their drinks had been tainted with the radium-D, meaning the hotel owner had been reserving food from the previous days. Hevesy decided to confront the hotel owner.
You destiny demon! You slime devil! How dare you do this? Why? Why have you done this?
To which the response from the hotel owner could be only that it was magic.
It was magic. It was witchcraft.
And that he should leave the premises.
You should leave and never come back again.
And this is how Hevesy demonstrated for the first time radioactive tracers to the public. Thank you very much to our patrons / students from Technology Leadership High School. Let's give yourselves a big hand